Tired of teammates missing updates because you can't tag them in Jira descriptions? Learn the exact @mention trick to notify anyone instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open your Jira account, navigate to a ticket, and use the @symbol to mention and notify any team member. So let's start by opening your Jira account. Now, you might already be logged in, but the key thing here is making sure you're in the right workspace. I'll go ahead and pull up my own Jira dashboard so you can see exactly what I'm working with.
This is the same view you'll see when you log in from your browser. Next, open your Jira project from the left side panel. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your projects. Just click on the one that contains the ticket you want to work with. I'm clicking on my main project here, the one I've been using for our team's current sprint. This is where all our active tickets live. Now click on the ticket where you want to mention someone.
So I've got my project open, and I can see all the tickets in our backlog. I'm going to pick one that needs some attention. Let's say this ticket here, the one about updating the user interface. I'll click on it to open it up. This opens the full ticket view, where you can see all the details, comments, and most importantly, the description field. Then click on Add a Description to open the editor. Now, if your ticket already has a description, you'll see an Edit button instead. But either way, click into that area. This opens up the text editor, where you can write whatever you need. And here's the really important part. Type the @ symbol to trigger the mention panel. Just hit Shift and the number 2 key on your keyboard, and you'll see the @ symbol appear right in the text. Now, pay attention to this one. As soon as you type that @ symbol, something magic happens. A panel will appear that shows you all the members in your project. As you type the @symbol, a panel appears with all your members. This is where Jira does the heavy lifting for you. You'll see a drop-down list of everyone who has access to this project. You can scroll through the list if you want, or you can start typing their name right after the @symbol. For example, if I type Sa, Jira instantly filters the list to show only people whose names start with those letters. It's fast and it's really intuitive once you've seen it in action. Click on the person you want to mention. So I'll find my teammate's name in that list and I'll click on it.
When you do that, Jira automatically inserts their full name into the description, and it also formats it as a link. That means when you save the ticket, that person will get a notification. They'll see an alert in Jira, and depending on their settings, they might even get an email. That's the whole point of this trick. Finally, click Save to apply the mention. Down at the bottom of the ticket, you'll see the Save button. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, your description is updated. Your teammate is now tagged, and they'll know exactly what they need to look at. So that's the entire process. From feeling frustrated that you can't get someone's attention in a ticket description to knowing exactly how to ping them with a simple @symbol. I've tested this workflow in my own projects, and it saves so much back and forth. Instead of sending a separate message or email asking someone to check a ticket, you just drop their name right where it matters. Give it a try on your next ticket.
You'll wonder why you didn't start doing this sooner.